In this video, you'll learn how to turn a library of documents into a structured multi-course program built from your own materials with you in control. A single course is great for a single subject, but if your materials cover several distinct themes, onboarding, compliance, a whole curriculum, one course will dilute them. A program splits that content into focus courses that build on each other. From the dashboard, click Add New Course, then Create Program. Choose Start with your materials. The upload page works just like the course version. Documents and web resources with live word counts. The difference is what you're feeding. A program can absorb a much wider source net, PDFs or PowerPoints covering different weeks of a curriculum, a textbook chapter, and a lecture transcript. Don't hold back. The more ground your sources cover, the more useful the course split becomes. The coherence check runs automatically, but here it's doing something subtly different. Green means your sources sit cleanly inside one subject area, so courses will split along clear topic lines. Amber or red just tells you the AI will need to draw broader course boundaries. Now the choice that's unique to programs: program mode, interconnected pathway, courses build on each other in sequence. Course 2 assumes Course 1, best for curricular or onboarding journeys. Subject-based collection, courses are independent modules under a shared theme. Learners can take them in any order, best for reference libraries or compliance suites. If you include practice scenarios, every course gets scenarios woven through, drawn from your sources wherever possible. This page compresses everything from the course wizards: audience, language, geographic focus, complexity, and writing tone. Set once and applied to every course, so the whole pathway speaks with one voice. Suggest from materials works here too. The AI reads your sources and proposes audience and complexity for you. Edit as required. Once you are satisfied, go to the next step and click Generate Structure. CourseAgent reads everything you've uploaded and proposes how to split it into courses. This is where you take control. Across the top, the count of suggested courses is displayed. That count isn't arbitrary. CourseAgent sizes it from the volume and spread of your sources, aiming for focused 20-minute courses rather than bloated ones. Each course card shows a title, description, and an estimated duration, typically 20 to 25 minutes per course. Don't like one of the courses? Toggle Include off, and it disappears from the program. No regeneration needed. If you want a different split entirely, click Regenerate Program, and CourseAgent will redivide your sources from scratch. Two options sit at the bottom: download PDF to share the structure for sign-off, or save draft to pick this up later. Click a course to expand it. Every course in the program is built around exactly 2 topics. That's the structure CourseAgent uses for focused 20-minute courses. Topic 1 carries the pedagogical arc: foundation, deep dive, application. Topic 2 consolidates: introduction, deep dive, summary. Click any topic to edit the title or its key points. Below the topics, you'll see learning objectives, between 2 and 4 per course, each validated against Bloom's taxonomy. Edit them inline or hit Regenerate Objectives to refresh. One important point: edit your topics first, then your objectives. Objectives are written to match the topics, so changing topics afterwards will leave them out of sync. CourseAgent will even prompt you to regenerate objectives if it detects significant topic edits. When the structure looks right, click through to the review page. Here you'll see your final lineup. Every course numbered in order, with its objectives count and duration. Pick at least one category, then click Generate Program. For each course listed, you can flick the AI images toggle on or off, or delete a course you no longer want. Then generate them one at a time. Click Generate, watch it run, and when it's complete, you can click Preview Course to check the result before moving on to the next. Work down the list until every course shows the green tick. When the last course finishes, CourseAgent assembles the program and offers you 2 doors: My Courses or My Programs. Every course in your program is a real standalone course in your library. Edit them, share them, even pull them into other programs. Then My Programs. Click your new program and you'll see the full pathway: courses in the order CourseAgent set, the interconnected sequence preserved, ready to publish. A library of documents turned into a structured program of focused courses with the pedagogy and the sequence already in place. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.